Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to be exposing my complete meme coin deving strategy live on camera for free. Most people are out here losing thousands of dollars every single day from trading meme coins, but I do the complete opposite. I create them and make hundreds of thousands of dollars by doing it. Today, I am showing you exactly how to find a narrative, how to launch it, and then how to cash out with a real example and real numbers, nothing gatekept. No course, no affiliate links. I am just here to show you how it's done from start to finish, like that everyone can be on the method. And by the way, guys, I am not like all these other YouTubers on this app. I do not sell a course or something that is paid. I am genuinely making these videos completely for fun, okay? I am actually a dev. I dev meme coins all day, and I assure you that I can be the best one to teach you on how to dev meme coins. But yeah, let's go into the video. Now here's why you have to start deving and stop trading or doing other stuff. Here's exactly why. The truth is that all of these coins, when they pump, they will eventually just go to zero. They will either dump to zero or dry out, just like this coin right here. This coin pumped and then it dried out in the course of multiple days to zero, and that's exactly why I do not trust meme coin trading anymore. The truth is that if you buy here, or here, well, you have no clue if the coin is going to go up. Odds are the coin is going to go to zero after a couple hours or after a couple days after you bought in. Everyone who bought the coin basically lost money because of the dev. The dev dumped on everyone and he sold his supply. That is exactly why I stopped trading and I started creating the coins instead. Now, the whole point of this video is to make you guys realize that deving is truly way more profitable than trading, and you guys will see because I will be showing you my complete deving strategy from start to finish. I will show you exactly how to find viral narratives to turn into coins, how to launch it, and then how to cash out. I will be doing a live example like that everyone can have the full picture of the entire strategy, and then you guys can become profitable and launch your own coins after watching this video. Let's get straight into the video. And by the way, guys, I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. I am not a financial advisor. Even though I make thousands of dollars every single day by doing this strategy, it's still up to you. I do not condone any financial advice. Everything is for educational purposes only. Now, first of all, you need to know where to launch your meme coins on, because there is a lot of confusion when it comes to launching your coins on which DEX. Now, a lot of people make their coins on Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what Pump.Fun is, okay? You can launch your own coins here. You can launch basically anything that you want on Pump.Fun. But the only factor that is restraining your coin to make profits and to reach thousands of people is because Pump.Fun is oversaturated and over competitive. Every single day there's hundreds of thousands of coins being created on Pump.Fun, and the truth is that all these coins are going nowhere. They will get no buyers, and odds are if you make a coin on Pump.Fun, you will just waste your time. That's why I launch my coins on Radium. Radium is another DEX, right? It's the same thing as a migration section. Basically, when the coin goes to Radium, bro, it reaches way more people than Pump.Fun because it's more concentrated to, actual traders. Like this coin right here, it got launched 4 minutes ago and it's going insane. There's already 300 people on Axum alone looking at this coin. So the whole point I'm trying to make is that your coins needs to be launched on Radium, and that's how you are going to maximize your profits. Now, to launch your coins on Radium, it is a bit different. You need to be using create memes.io to launch your coins to Radium. Every single coin that you make here will go to Radium guaranteed, and that's why people are launching their coins on this launchpad instead of Pump.Fun, and that's why it's being gatekept. Now, here's exactly how to make a coin when you are on create memes.io. You have multiple options. The first method is to create a coin from scratch. This is pretty straightforward, just like Pump.Fun. If you have a name, symbol, and image for your coin, you can make it here following these simple simple steps. Or if you connect your Phantom wallet, right, you can turn any tweet right here into a coin. So for example, if Trump made a tweet, you could turn that directly into a coin and be the first dev to dev that coin, and that's exactly how people get rich from this method. But in my personal opinion, bro, I love the third method, which is the copy trending coins tab right here. Basically, here is a vamping strategy. Every single coin here has a good narrative and is gaining a bunch of attention and a bunch of volume on Pump.Fun right now. So the method here, right, is to copy a coin back to Radium to get a bunch of attention, and that attention is going to turn potentially into a bunch of buyers by using these narratives and these coins. Now it's time for the part of the video where I show you how to dev a coin live, and I will be copying a coin in front of you to show you how it's done, right? So follow along and keep watching, bro. So yeah, now first of all, make sure your Phantom is connected, right? That is the first step and that is important, right? And now let's copy a coin. Usually what I do on my coins, right, when I approach this method, I just copy one and I try it out. So I'm gonna go for this one, Chill Ham. I chose it completely like random, right? So copy the Radium, right, click on that, and then ignore the block and the warning from Phantom. It's normal, it's safe, okay? Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox right here, and then click on confirm, and the coin will be created shortly. Just wait, okay? And boom, bro, now if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it is on chain, it's minted, which means it's created right on the blockchain. And yeah, bro, it's legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool for the coin. Now here, guys, is where we create our Radium liquidity pool. Basically, once the pool is created for your meme coin, it will go to Radium, right? And that is the whole point of creating the supply and the liquidity pool. Now, the first step is to put the amount of coins. Click on 90%. This is really important. I do that for all my coins. For the amount of coins right here, right, this is the dev buy. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 Solana, which is the perfect amount. Now, guys, you are not going to lose this amount. If you want this back later, you can, okay? It is important to put a dev buy, and this is not a loss, okay? So yeah, click on create pool. Your Phantom is going to show up. Just wait once again, and then in your click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, guys, click on refresh, and then you scroll down, and bang, the chill coin is live, right? And your P&L is going to be right there. And now to see how much we're up on our meme coin, you can simply just click on refresh once again. And as you guys can see, now we're up $230. That is because people are buying a coin, and that is the whole point, guys, okay? We copied the coin and people are now buying our coin because they love the narrative that we copied, right? Now go on your trading platform, it could be like anything, and go on your coin, and bang, it should start pumping. Yes sir, it's pumping. People are buying in, random people are buying our coins, and that is exactly what I mean about deving coins, guys. The Radium Dex is insane, and if you copy a coin, you can convert more people into their coin to buy it. And guys, look, it's pumping. We're already up more than $800 if I had to guess. That is insane. We're almost at a 5k market cap, which is absolutely ridiculous. I spent nothing on creating this coin and it's already pumping. Now I'm gonna let the coin pump for a bit. I'm gonna be right back. Let's go. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we are creeping up to the 10k market cap goal. Well, it's not a goal, but yeah, we're at a 10k market cap soon, and I think we made a lot of money, right? Let me show you how to cash out. So when you are ready to you know, sell your supply, come back to creatememes.io, and obviously guys, let's see how much we're up on our coin. Click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bang, we're up $2.58 thousand. That is insane in my opinion. Oh, it's going down a bit, but we're up 2.5k at this point right here. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Your Phantom is going to show up right here. Just wait, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, I just dipped the coin in front of you, and that's exactly how you cash out on your meme coin, create everything. And in my Phantom wallet, guys, the money should be there. Yes sir, 2.59k in my Phantom wallet that we made on this one meme coin launch. Now obviously, if you want to try this out, create memes.io will be linked down below. And all I can say is that, guys, even though you make more or a bit less than me, just stay consistent, build up that port, and do not get too comfortable with your profits. Just dev, and show up every day. And yeah, bro, like and subscribe. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just like, subscribe, and comment, and join my Discord and Telegram group linked down below, and you will be entered. Good luck.